Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant.
In my RV. Never heard it before?
Oh, Piper's missing this.
Riding in my RV, wherever I want to be, because I'm free in my RV. Yeah, I'm riding, I'm riding in my RV, wherever I want to be, because I'm free with Jimmy Dixie. Yeah, driving the pavement, rushing under the tires. A different time zone, we know we're gonna get higher, 'cause I'm on fire, yeah. Riding, have no idea where we'll end up tonight. It doesn't matter, 'cause you know it's gonna feel right, because I'm riding, yeah, riding in my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV. Yeah, I'm riding in my RV, wherever I want to be. Yeah, 'cause I'm free in my RV. Yeah, tonight, somewhere remote, we're gonna boondock. We'll see the Milky Way or a shooting star if we're in luck. Yeah, this is clapping, yeah. Oh no, this is the way that we let to roll. I'm making memories out here is what nurtures my soul. Oh yes, I'm riding, yeah, riding. You can sing along if you want. In my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV. Yeah, I'm riding in my RV, wherever I want to be. Yeah, 'cause I'm free in my RV.
You're gonna go up there and sing?
So many cameras. Okay. I'm gonna get camera shy now. Well, everybody, thank you for coming to M25, of course. We've been coming to the odd year numbers, M21, M23, M25, so this is our final night here, so I thought it would be cool to sing a couple of songs for you guys. And it goes like, yeah! That's my friend Chuchi on trumpets. Yeah. So yes, got the DJ high. Keep the 360 on my mind. Ain't got the Osmo. Kevin got the Galaxy. You got the iPhones. From the great land of Canada, we got lands here. Hey, hey, ba-da-da-da-da. Ra-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Kentucky in the house. Yeah. my microphone too loud? And if you guys want to sing along, we're gonna sing the same thing over and over a couple of times. Because I'm riding in my RV, wherever I want to be. Because I'm free in my RV, yeah, I'm riding in my RV, wherever I want to be. Because I'm free. From Florida to Tennessee, 'cause I'm free in my RV, yeah, I'm riding, baby, yeah. Thank you very much. A little lubrication for my vocal cords there. This one is called Driving to the West. And I wrote it the first time I drove to the west. Cross country on I-10, which is a very boring drive until you get to San Antonio. After San Antonio, it starts, you get to hill country and eventually hit the desert. And I'm like, driving to the west, into the sunset, driving to the west. Driving to the west, into the sunset, driving to the west. Yeah, baby. Driving to the west, into the sunset, driving to the west. Driving to the west. This stuff is dangerous. Be careful with this stuff. Yeah, driving to the west. Alright. And then we got to Arizona, New Mexico, before Arizona, then California. And it's always a good time. Driving to the west, into the sunset, driving to the west. And then Quartzsite, Slab City. Driving to the west, into the sunset, driving to the west. And driving through New Mexico, Arizona, even California. I'm gonna get my kicks on 66. The mountains and the desert are my fix. Driving to the west in my RV is where I wanna be. Oh! Yeah, if you can ever do that drive, I totally recommend it. See how the country changes. And it goes like driving to the west, into the sunset, driving to the west. Driving to the west, into the sunset, driving to the west. And let me tell you, driving into Utah, Colorado, high above sea level is my motto. Into the thin air, I might see it there. Nothing like the west, doesn't compare. Driving to the west in my RV is where I wanna be. That's where I wanna be, my baby. In these mountains and the desert. So what? Driving to the west, into the sunset. I like the east. There's a song going right into the east. I love Michigan too. I love the north, the south, the west, the east. Into you. I forgot the lyrics. All going to the Pacific, let me be specific. Anywhere out here would be terrific. Driving to the west in my RV is where I wanna be. Yeah. Now I got to write a song about Michigan, or maybe maybe I'll do Ohio just to piss people off. Because you know, I've been to all the lower 48. And I do think that every state is great. Just because I'm driving to the west, I could be driving to the east, I could be driving to the north. Home is south in Florida, so there you go, driving to the west. Because I can make them up as I go along. I'm just winging it here, as you can tell. Driving to the west, driving to the west, driving to the west, driving to the west. Oh, baby, driving to the west, driving to the west, yeah, driving to the west, driving to the west, driving to the west. Can we do one more? Can we do one more? One more. Well, we're gonna drive to the east because you know what? This is what happened. This was a trip, the true story in 2018. I was out there and I was getting homesick. So I decided to write a song. Yeah, it's time to go back home, you know. Sound from the east. And it goes, driving to the east, going home. Because I have been away for too long. And it goes like this. Driving to the east, going home. I have been away for too long. Driving to the east, going home. I have been away for too long. And across the Mississippi, I'm more than halfway home. I'm getting tired, I'm getting sleepy. I've been away for too long. And that's a true story, you know. No matter how, unless you're full-timing, and at some point, you do want to come back home. Getting to the east, I'm going home. I have been away for too long. When I cross the Suwannee River, I'm thinking of a song. I'm getting close, I'm a believer that tonight I'll be home. Driving to the east, going home. That's a raging fire back there, oh my God. And I've been away for too long. Driving to the east, going home. I have been away. Do I have a long enough cable? Yeah. For too long. I forgot my piano. And that's it. We've got Sonia the RV DJ in the second half of the show. Thank you all for coming once again to M25. And I'll see you on the next one.